पहले before this site was a degraded patch, but now over the period of 6 months we've noticed a very massive change. Minimize the threat of any future forest fire hazards. All of our caretakers were on that work since December month. Once the trees grow to a considerable height, the local community can use the resources available from it as well. There are herbivores and other mammals present in the national park. Some of our plants get predated by them. Also some other problems like vandalism, as there is a lot of human activity in this park. We are collaborating with the forest department. They've been supportive.
तो अभी मैडम ने जब 2 टाँकी बैठाया तभी से इधर साइड पे पानी का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। टैंकर आता है, हम लोग टाइम पे पानी देते, इसलिए ज़्यादा ग्रोथ दिख रहा है अभी। इससे नहीं तो पानी नहीं रहता तो इतने झाड़ बचते भी नहीं थे।
Each and every tree we plant is what matters. We are trying to protect this area for the future generation. So
first of all, we have to stick to the regional species. तो उसके ऊपर study किया हुआ है, and whatever has been planted so far, they are all regional species only.